So, what is IoT? I will try to be simple and non-technical for your easy understanding. How are you taking this course right now? It might be on a desktop or a smartphone or maybe a tablet. But whatever device you are using, it is most definitely connected to the internet. An internet connection is a wonderful thing. It gives us all sort of benefits that just weren't possible before. Think of your cell phone before it was a smartphone. You could call and you could text your. But now you can read any book, watch any movie, or listen to any song, all in the palm of your hand. And that's just to name a few of the incredible things your smartphone can do. Connecting things to the internet yields many amazing benefits. We have all seen these benefits with our smartphones, laptops, and tablets. But this is true for everything else too. And yes, I do mean everything. The Internet of Things is actually a pretty simple concept. It means taking all the things in the world and connecting them to the internet. When something is connected to the internet, that means it can send information or receive information or both. This ability to send or receive information makes things smart. Now, in terms of embedded systems, sensors could be temperature sensors, motion sensors, moisture sensors, air quality sensors, light sensors, etc. These sensors, along with the connection, allow us to automatically collect information from the environment, which in turn allows us to make more intelligent decisions. On the farm, automatically getting information about the soil moisture can tell farmers exactly when their crops need to be watered. We will be using the IoT dashboard to know the status of the dustbin. This data can help us to understand the usage of the device. So, the IoT dashboard which we have selected for our project is Bboard. The reason why we have selected this IoT dashboard because you can start integrating Bboard in minutes rather than days. The platform is easy and intuitive wizard will help you to define and manage your objects. It is designed to empower the Internet of Things and real-time communicating applications. It comes with responsive design which is compatible with laptops, tablets and smartphones. One platform is suited for diverse applications like instant messaging, dashboards, online gaming and scoreboards, domotics, Internet of Things and reporting, automatic data statics and correlations that gives you valuable insights on your posted data, advanced authentication for guaranteed data integrity. You have full user control over security measures and access rights. You can decide what to encrypt, what to make public, and who can access what.